Okay, trying this second time. I am doing an unboxing of a magit mug that I got from Threadless. Packaged pretty well. Pretty decent sized mug. White. Yeah. Ugh. The looks like there's like this grainy kind of, like an off-white grain on all of it except for the handle. You can see here there's like a handle, and also some of the lines are not so clear here. I don't think the original artwork was like that. It's kind of smeared looking. I don't know. Also, the color isn't so bright orange that I would expect, but that's what this is. This is a magit mug. Actually, they gave it to me. I made a mistake on something, and I got some. They gave me credit, so I decided to use it to buy something. For me, the shipping here is like incredibly expensive, but so the creator of Magit, I made these mugs and T-shirts and things, and I wanted to so people could buy them, and then I would send him a portion of profits, but he said he didn't want it, so I took them down. So this is, I guess we call it limited edition. Probably have the only one that there is, but I have on Threadless, and also what's the other one, Redbubble. I have things like with emacs and other types of stuff. So I'll put a link to that in the description. Buying stuff there will help me out in making more of the emacs videos that I've been doing, but I'm also going to do a series in PHP and Git and things like that. Okay, so take a look at them. And also, if you don't like any of those services and you want to send me, you want to buy from me directly, I can also arrange that. And I have another person that makes them. Okay, call it.